Thoughts on body-worn cameras. If you've ever had a case in New York City, you know that pretty much all the officers and all the detectives now wear body-worn cameras. The only exception that we've seen in our practice is whenever they do work with undercover officers or whenever they're doing buys with a confidential informant. Generally, there's no body-worn camera for these situations due to the security concerns for the CI or for the UC. I love body-worn cameras in some cases, and I absolutely hate them in others. It's a huge win when the search is bad. It's a huge win when something really problematic happens, and generally speaking, the DA's office looks at the materials, they look at the body cams, and if it's an issue and if they know it's an issue, they dismiss. If they don't dismiss, they offer the client some sort of incredibly favorable resolution that the client may be inclined to take. On the flip side, before I watch the cams, sometimes I look at the discovery packet, the DD5s, the detective reports, and sometimes the fact pattern is just so crazy, or the statement that they attribute to the client is so crazy. And you're like, no way did this happen, and ultimately, before body cams, the trier of fact, whether it's a judge at a suppression hearing or the jury, would have to credit the officer with some sort of crazy story. And then you watch the body cams and you're like, yep, that's exactly what happened, or yep, that's exactly what the client said. So it's much tougher to win cases where the fact pattern is super crazy and they have most of it recorded on video. So body-worn cameras, for me, mixed bag. Sometimes they're great, other times I'm like, I wish we didn't have it.